up, though? I want to give a shout out to P. Smith and the Graduated Money team. And I want you to know that one way to graduate that bag is to resurrect your credit, hop on somebody else's line, family member, a really close friend, and only spend about 10% of what your limit is. A lot of people say, 30% is okay, and that's true. What I've found in my experience is that if I'm trying to rise up real quick, say my credit was at like 530, true story, I rose up within a year to the 700 region, to 760. I literally kept my cards at 10%. I had to hop on somebody else's line. Luckily, I knew somebody who had fantastic credit. And if you don't know anybody, then you need to expand your friend circle, expand your family circle. That's another way to graduate that bag. Make sure you're around people that handle their money well. Even if a lot of us grew up with family with bad credit, but make sure you hop on somebody's line if you really need to expedite your way up the ladder and get your FICO score up. And I keep it at 10% until you get to a certain state, in the 700 region, and then you can get to your 30. But that is the way that I was able to graduate that bag. So I wish that for you, to the Graduated Money team. Shout out to Patrick Smith, by the way, for saying that my pen is dangerous. I tell you, if you out here telling people how to get their finances in order, then your pen is dangerous too. Sign them checks. Bless.